Hey guys, it's Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we're going to be talking about the Velocity X3 Jump Pack by Blackhawk. I am super excited about this product because it can carry a large amount of weight, but also keeps it evenly distributed on your back while reducing fatigue. This is especially important to someone that is as small as I am. Constructed of 1,000 denier nylon, this backpack is super heavy duty in every way. It has quadruple stitch seams and has double taped edges for added reinforcement. Packed with high quality YKK zippers, easy grip pull tabs, and multiple rows of strike molle webbing, this was built to stand up and help you conquer any task that you're up against. The main compartment features a full clamshell design to provide immediate access, while two additional full-height pockets on the front provide massive amounts of extra cargo space. So this is the main compartment here. One front pocket is here, and the other front pocket is here. It also has a hydration pack pocket inside the main compartment. Made to US Special Forces specifications, this robust pack features universal leg strap attachment points and is military free fall and static line jumpable. The Velocity X3 is compatible with not only the Blackhawk hydration system, but it also fits comfortably over top of most armor carriers. Is this thing freaking sweet or what? Speaking of strike technology, this pack is covered in its webbing. There's 4 interior equipment tie-down straps, 8 interior equipment tie-down loops, 8 exterior tie-down loops for equipment lowering lines and light stick placement. You can even use these interior straps to secure things such as a man-pack radio. The pack also has padded shoulder straps with dual adjustment metal hardware, a removable heavy-duty waist belt, and a removable adjustable chest strap, and that's here. As a whole, this jump pack is 3,290 cubic inches and comes in either black or coyote tan. If you're looking for a roomy, comfortable, and versatile pack that you can take on hiking trips, camping trips, or even into the field for extended distances and periods of time, I would definitely recommend this one to you. Thanks so much for watching. Please do not hesitate to go to our website at lockharttactical.com for more information on this product, its brand, and more of our other awesome items. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical. Over and out. Let's get the heck out of here.